photography, but how without DSLR? Can you do photography with your mobile phone? So, yes, you can. You need some creativity. Today, I'm gonna show you some photos from my recent long trip, which was totally clicked by my mobile, and these are non-edited.
Una, dos, tres, hey!
Hey, you're still watching this video, then please do subscribe.
Una, dos, tres, hey!
Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like it. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching till the end. Bye.